Well, hello, and this is what I did in the last episode, and as you well know, my scooter is not doing the best, so I flooded the motor in the scooter because I drove into a local river. So in the last episode I tried to remove the motor from the scooter and I was successful, so the motor is out, and as you can see here, I'm trying to get the stator because the innards of this alternating current motor is actually, stator is inside and rotor is outside, as you can see here, and I finally managed to open the motor because it's glued probably with silicone, so the hubs are weatherized with gaskets on the axis, and probably it was glued with some sort of a glue or silicone, so it was quite difficult to remove it, but it was not too difficult. And you have to remember that the magnets attract the stator inside, so mind your fingers, because this job can be tricky, so you won't get them trapped between these two metal parts, because that can be not the best idea. And as you can see here, well, yeah, a bit of water is still inside, and as you can see, all the parts are rusted. And I have to tell you straight away that I did one big mistake, but the big mistake will be revealed in the next episode. So I got the motor finally disassembled, and the first thing that I thought of that is the problem. Oh, I just realized right now what I did wrong. You will find out in the next episode. Okay. I'm so stupid. Anyways. How the... I just don't understand what I did. I do understand what I did, and I will have to buy a new motor. So just have a look at the water in the motor. I just tried to remove it with a bit of tissue, just the leftovers of the rust and water from the electric scooter. I will have to buy a new motor now, but anyways, so remember to watch this video properly before you disassemble your motor. So first of all, I thought that the problem were bearings that were rocking, and the wheel started being very noisy, so I simply thought that this is the real problem. And so after disassembling and cleaning the hubs inside from the rust, I simply washed them under running water, and then I decided to use some rotary metal brushes to get them nice and clean. I thought that the best thing to do is to order new bearings, and of course I did. I got the bearings out with a bit of a pipe and a hammer. Unfortunately I didn't shoot it, but they are not difficult to remove, the bearings from the motor, yeah? So that's not a big job. You can do it, it's not too difficult. Cleaning the hubs inside require some sort of smaller, probably rotary brush. It is doable as well. What I thought of, but I didn't do, is wouldn't that be a good idea to have some sort of silicone spray to spray over the magnets, because even after cleaning they tend to rust quite rapidly. So that might be a good idea, but anyway, this is more or less what I did, and you'll see what sort of a mistake I did in this in the next video, and I have no idea why I did it. So remember to watch this video again when you're done with the next video. And the biggest problem is that I didn't watch this video. So anyways, see you in the next episode. My scooter is still is not operational, so I'm planning to order a new motor, and just watch these videos so you won't make the mistake that I did, okay? Well, sometimes if you don't really have much time and you have to do something, it goes like that. Anyway, that's it for today. See you next time. And don't make the same mistakes as I did.